Greetings, folks. It's Sarah. Today I am out on beautiful Lake Pend Oreille in Idaho, and I brought out 12 of my favorite cook stoves to set up with this epic view of the water and the mountains. Today I am going to feature for you guys the beautiful MBS Olympia, and I am going to give you my 5 favorite reasons why I love the Olympia stove. Number 1 is going to be this tiny compact footprint. It is one of the smallest stacked models on the market. And so for people with a very small footprint or that just don't want to take up a lot of space in the room, even in like an open room, it is a really great option. Number 2, it is available in a variety of colors, including stone. This is shown here in the soapstone, but it is available in color options as well, like burgundy, cream, or even a porcelain black. So that is very nice. Number 3, I really do like this wraparound towel rack that comes standard with the unit. Being that it is a taller unit, you know, if you're coming up into the baking oven, it really helps to make sure that you don't bump into the corner of the hot stove. So that's a really nice feature on this Olympia. Number 4, this model is versatile. This Olympia is capable of burning both wood and coal, so that's really nice. We have a lot of folks on the East Coast that have good, cheap access to hard coal. Hard coal is a really great way to be able to heat your house affordably and efficiently. You get a lot more BTUs out of coal than what you're going to produce out of wood, so that can be a handy option for you as well. Number 5. I love the baking oven in this particular model. I think it's like a really nice height. For me, I'm about 5'1", but for people who are even taller, sometimes people don't really like the baking oven located below the firebox, which is how some of the stacked models are. So I can see that here. The baking oven does come with this nice enamel pan and a single rack that's located towards the bottom. So that's nice to have that. It keeps your pan off the bottom so you do not burn the bottom of your food. I really hope that you guys enjoyed my overview today and my top 5 reasons why I love the MBS Olympia. If you guys like my videos, please don't forget to give me that thumbs up. Click the subscribe button in the corner of the channel. Thanks so much for watching. God bless and have a wonderful day.